Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss the Workday HCM Interview Questions and Answers. Well, let's know about Upptalk before we start the video. Upptalk is a live, interactive platform for software training, furnishing robust personalities who could take on universal business platforms. Now let's get started. First, let's start with knowing what Workday is. Workday is a venture business administration that incorporates finance, HR, buying, and finance. It innovates in cloud-based and venture applications that consolidate the lower cost of proprietorship, including a worldwide creative business. Workday conveys every one of the applications inside a cloud and allows individuals to work cooperatively in a constant climate. Let's now know about Workday HCM. HCM represents human capital on the board. It is cloud-based programming, and it brings together numerous HR capacities like time following, finance, remuneration, and so on, and ability the board into one framework. Since Workday programming offers particular types of assistance, numerous associations are utilizing Workday for their necessities. Additionally, it is not difficult to learn and carry out. Workday HCM enforces ability into your labor force, managing HR capacities like arranging, selecting, and so on. It deals with your worldwide labor force with the manager and representative self-administration. It likewise gives examination on your labor force information like ability, labor, and cost. Why do employees use Workday HCM? Workday HCM offers natural, self-service capabilities that help to organize, staff, and pay the global workforce. It also benefits the administration by defining, managing, and adjusting the benefit plans to meet the unique business requirements. What level of support does Workday Human Capital Management offer? Workday Human Capital Management offers the accompanying help alternatives: knowledge base, online support, and phone support. The fifth question we are going to discuss is: list out the main features of Workday Human Capital Management. The following are the various elements of Workday HCM. Ability of the board or talent management. Time following. Finance arrangements. Objective administration. Execution the board. Progression the board. Vocation and improvement arranging. Finance co-sourcing administrations, and cloud interface for outsider finance. Next, let's know who frequently uses Workday Human Capital Management. Mid-size businesses and large enterprises frequently use Workday Human Capital Management. The seventh question is: what are the duties of a Workday HCM consultant? The Workday HCM specialist's duty guarantees beneficial arrangements by architecting, designing, and testing the HCM answer to meet the customer-specific prerequisites. Next, list out the essential HCM HR item modules. The Workday HCM HR primary modules are: Workforce Life Cycle Management, Organization Management, Compensation Management, Absence Management, and Employee Benefits. Have you ever wondered which language Workday HCM supports? Well, Workday HCM supports the English language. What are the sorts of value designs that Workday HCM offers? There are two kinds of value designs that Human Capital Management offers. They are membership and once license. Let's know about what talent management is. Talent management is the process of managing HR roles and attracting, recruiting, and holding onto the employees who drive the organization's success. It admits the workforce planning, employee management, learning and development, performance management, recruiting, onboarding, succession, and maintenance. Let's learn Workday Time Tracking. Workday Time Tracking is a piece of a single system, HCM, and finance. With everything on the whole, you get one wellspring of information and bound together activities that assist you with diminishing work costs, further develop efficiency, advance labor prosperity, and decidedly oversee consistent vulnerabilities. List down the Workday HCM modules. The Workday HCM primary modules are: Talent Management, Time Tracking, Payroll Solutions, Goal Management, Performance Management, Succession Planning, Career and Development Planning, Payroll co-sourcing services. Cloud Connect for third-party payroll. There are many key features that Workday Human Capital Management has to offer. Let's discuss some of them. HR the executives. Revealing and examination. Worldwide consistency. Audit and inward controls. Labor force arranging. Enlisting. Finance the executives. Time and non-attendance of the board. Finance the executives. Time and non-attendance of the board. Finally, expenses. Does Workday HCM provide an API? No, Workday HCM does not offer any API. The 16th question is, what browsers does Workday support? Workday upholds the vast majority of the Internet programs like Web Explorer, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, and Safari. A client can utilize any one of these programs to log into their Workday. Let's now discuss Workday Payroll. Workday Payroll is a subpart of the Workday HCM suite that incorporates human resources, the board, and progressed finance abilities. It smooths out the whole finance from initially employing to finish finance preparing and charge compliances. Here are some of the crucial characteristics of Workday Payroll which make it an excellent fit for enterprises and global businesses. Pay groups. Automation of tax updates. Multiple tax filling options. Fully customizable. Automation payroll audits. Let's know if Workday Payroll is available as an independent payroll service benefactor or not. The answer is no. Workday Payroll is a piece of Workday HCM that supplies complete representative administration, including recruiting and finance handling, and then some. You might wonder if Workday HCM is free. Well, Workday HCM doesn't offer any free arrangements. You should contact the Workday Outreach Group to get a statement explicitly customized to your business prerequisites to learn about Workday valuing. Let's know if we can use Workday for any student-related academic information. No, we can't use Workday for student-related academic information as everything identified with understudy, class, plan, grade data, and so forth would be in an individual's delicate understudy framework, which can be to utilizing the current cycles. The 21st question would be, how safe is Workday? Can anyone access it to generate reports? The login credentials are needed to get to Workday. We can limit the entrance in the settings and see which reports or information they can see. Now let's know how much does the Workday HCM license costs. Well, Workday has a broad scope of contributions for business arrangements. It tends to be membership-based or can be a one-time permit installment. One needs to inquire about item deals to know the specific expense of their plausibility. The expense relies upon numerous outside and inside factors connected to the business cycle. In the broad view, what kind of information will be used in Workday for reporting in the future? To become the official source of business information for HCM, payroll, and financials, Workday will also become the leading source for your reporting needs whenever possible. Using Cognos or other tools, reporting from the Institutional Data Store IDS will supplement Workday reporting capabilities. It will be used whenever data that do not exist in Workday are needed. If I am used to getting my reports through Cognos, where will I get them when Workday goes live? The answer is, suppose there is fundamental data that Workday doesn't manage, of course, expecting date ranges to fall outside of what will exist in Workday. In that case, the Enterprise Data Management EDM gathering will mastermind the usage of various systems like Cognos, Tableau, and the Institutional Data Store IDS. Now, let's discuss the benefits of Workday HCM. Well, Workday HCM helps the organization define, manage, and adjust benefits plans to meet its unique requirements. Gain a complete picture of the workforce. Understand entire people's costs, including contingent labor. Empower workers and business leaders through self-services. Easily configure the system for specific business needs. Take action at the point of decision. The 26th question is, what is the function of big data analytics for HCM? Organizations use Workday HCM Big Data Analytics to combine Workday with multiple non-Workday data sources. It helps to decrease the time and effort of deployment by providing pre-built analytics templates that address critical business issues faced by HR and finance. Let's end this session with the question, what are the types of workers in Workday HCM? The answer is, there are two sorts of laborers in Workday HCM. They are: employees are the workers that are paid wages and paid faculty, student employees, staff, and retirees. Contingent workers are the workers who are neither paid employees nor academic affiliates in Workday. These includes consultant, individual, honorary, trustee, intern, volunteer. I hope you have liked this Workday interview Q&A session. Well, if you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. If you want to get more information related to such technologies, do watch our other videos on the Upptalk channel. Thank you for watching.